guys, it's me, Artsy, and today I'm going to be making some slime. Hi, and here's what it looks like. So, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like if you like slime. So, I'll see you there. Bye. See you there. Okay guys, I'm here and here's all you need to do. So, let's do this. Okay guys, all you need to get is your bowl and spoon, flour, and some hand solution. So let's get straight into this. So to do is put some flour in it. There you go. And then you get your spoon right there. Then you put some lotion. Okay, so it's fine, and then we just put some solution in it. There we go. Then we mix it all up. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Until you get the form of like clay slime or something. So all you need to get is just some clay slime like this, and I found it right here. So it's right here. So I think you just get it out. You try to mix it with your hands, and then produce a beautiful slime. If you want it more fluffy, then you just poke. And then get it again here. And then you just squish, squish, squish. And that's it. So that's the slime. The beautiful slime. There it is. So beautiful, and it's stretchy, and you should definitely try this. So I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Goodbye.